Mzansi timelines are eating this up because when Musa Khawula and Fikile Mbalula appear in the same sentence, it's never quiet. The viral moment comes from Musa posting the line, "B better have my money," directed at Mbalula. On the surface, it reads like pop culture says, a phrase people use jokingly online, often referencing the Rihanna song. But because of their past friction and legal drama, people aren't taking it as just humor. Instead, the internet is asking, is he throwing shade? Is this revenge talk? Is he hinting at being owned something after past legal trouble? The tone feels unserious, but the context makes it feel loaded. A controversial blogger with a history of legal issues plus a senior political figure, people instantly assuming there's deeper meaning behind every word. Still, if there were a real legal move happening, it wouldn't start on Twitter. Lawsuits don't begin with punchlines, they start with lawyers and paperwork. So right now, this looks like more high-level trolling with political flavor than an official legal threat. But because both names carry history, even a sarcastic lie turns into national gossip fuel.